So this is a way you can automate Blender. I have here just a Linux terminal I'm going to use to call this Python script here. The Python script is then going to call Blender. It's going to open this file I already have, and it's going to pass in the arguments I'm passing from my terminal. Then my Python script is going to accept those arguments and act on them, and will run this automatically as soon as Blender opens. So the first thing we need to do is go to Blender, and we'll go to Edit, Preferences. We need to make sure that the Auto Run Python scripts is enabled. We can then, we have to have a Python script here. Mine is python testing.py. We need to go to Text and Register, and that will make sure that this script knows to auto run. So then I can go ahead and exit out of this file. I'll save it. When I run, let me just do that real quick, and I'll run this script. And all that did was print our arguments that we pass into it. So here is our argument filenameArgs that printed out in the terminal. So now when I add this line, this opens up Blender, this opens up that file, and then we pass in the arguments we are receiving from here to our Blender file. So I'll go ahead and run it now. It opened up Blender on my other screen, but you can see in the terminal it printed out these. This is from the Blender file, so the script did auto run. And this is our argument list. So we have, let me make this a little bigger. These were the arguments we passed in from our Python file. So yeah, that's how you do it.